SERV stock analysis tomorrow, Tuesday, and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Serve Robotics stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end to find out. I'm specifically waiting for like a double break to happen here for me to take higher. Ideally, in an ideal world, the price should pull down into my demand area and give me that double break, so then I can take it higher. And again, it says I'm waiting for the rules to be met, because if this does not happen, then what am I gonna do here sitting trying to take this thing higher? I mean, it needs to give me the rules, and only then I'd really buy. But anything else is just gonna be speculation and just fluff, just price action that I would not be interested in. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll definitely just touch base a little bit later. I mean, I'm just waiting at this moment, trying to double down on this bullish momentum, and that's simply it. Rules need to be met though. See you in the next one.